How do I make money if I don't make music for radio? This is a question that I get all the time, and this is a great question. Some of you have really awesome music, but it doesn't really fit the mold of traditional pop music or what usually goes on radio. But there's really excellent ways that you can make money, and one of those is by getting your music on movies and film. Pay attention when you watch a show. You're going to notice in the background there's always all kinds of different music playing. Now, these TV shows and movies and video games and commercials, they love to work with independent artists because it's less expensive to work with independent artists than major artists. That works out so well for you because sometimes they have budgets of anywhere from hundreds to thousands to $10,000s of dollars to pay artists to use their music, depending on the client. And it can turn into recurring income. So every time a TV show plays a rerun, you can be collecting residual income. I have a few friends that this is all that they do. They don't hit stages, they don't promote themselves, they don't have a fan base, yet they're making a great living, some of them 6 figures or more. There's musicians out there making 6 figures or more just doing this. They can go out there and you can try to find publishing agents, syncing agents. These are all the agents that actually take your music and pitch it for movies and film. Or you can comment the word movies below. I'll send you a link so you can check out our list. We've put months of work into actually putting together a list of all the agents that get music on TV and film for you. Comment movies and I'll send you a link.